Colton RV and Marine has added a brand new paint booth here in our North Tonawanda location. That's going to allow us to do more body work, more paint work, and gel coat completely in-house, which helps with quicker turnaround times, better quality control, and less waiting to get you guys back on the open road or the open water. So let's take a look inside this paint booth here. So our paint booth, guys, is an industrial sized paint booth. It's gonna allow our teammates to work more efficiently and keep a closer eye on every step and detail of the process. We can even step back here, give you a tour of our paint room. Back here is where we mix up all of our paints. Everything we use is manufacturer approved, so we're able to match the exact color and finish to your RV or boat. Overall, for our customers, this means fewer delays, quicker repairs, and the confidence that your RV or boat is being taken care of by the same team from start to finish. So, when you need repairs, you know your boat or RV is in the right hands to get you back camping and boating faster.